Hi everyone, it's the Lady Star G. I'm back with salad creations this time, and I am getting ready to portion out 4 salads. And I have already chopped my vegetables. I have some green pepper under here. This is snap peas, celery, cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes, radish, broccoli, red onion, cucumber, and mixed greens. I will also be adding shredded carrots for a nice crunch and sweetness. And today I am adding black olives. So basically, vegetables have no fat in them at all. And fat helps with satiation. So you need some healthy fat. That's why the black olives. And you could also use avocado. It is a healthy fat to add to your salad. Today I just chose black olives. And something you may or may not know of, there's a nutrition fact scale. And this is how I know that vegetables have no fat, because when I weigh my vegetables, the fat is always 0. And usually vegetables have 1 gram of protein. So if you are a person who's a vegetarian, or maybe you just don't eat a lot of meat, it is a good practice to add some sort of protein to your salad. For instance, boiled egg. You can add some slices of turkey or chicken. I just don't like deli meats, so I usually don't do that. And also, you can also add grated cheese for a protein to your salad. And here are my large, medium, and 2 small salads. This one I did not put the black olives on, and I might end with a topping of shredded Parmesan cheese, or I might add some real bacon bits. And these are the salad creations from the Lady Star G.